If you guys are wondering how to change the serpentine belt on any modern Subaru with an FA20 or FA24, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in today's video. I changed my oil just a couple days ago, and I noticed when I came to pull the filter off that basically some of my serpentine belt was laying up in here, so I inspected the belt. And I can see that some of it had basically ripped off, so we're missing an entire rib just split off of it. So in today's video, let's get to work and let's get that out of there. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove the serpentine belt cover. And I'm extremely lucky that this didn't break when I was driving, but this is your tensioner right here. So we're just gonna put a normal socket on that and give her a turn. And then we're gonna turn it to the right. You're gonna slide your Allen wrench basically right in this little opening, and then the tensioner will hold itself up. So from here we can see that there's slack on this. We can just take this off, and like I said, just make a note of orientation, how this all goes. And that was where we were putting the socket. It's a 17 mil socket. Tension goes this way, then you can slide your Allen wrench through. Here's our new belt we ordered from Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description down below for the same belt. It's an OEM factory belt from Subaru. So let's get this installed. And I hope you guys are like me, who would rather spend 15 minutes, doing a little bit of work yourself on your car and save yourself $100 in labor that the dealership is going to charge you, if not more. Because a lot of times before they even touch your car, they charge you to do a vehicle service inspection estimate, which is like another $150. So this is something simple that anybody could do at home by themselves with basic hand tools and get that money savings. So the belt basically goes all the way around the whole perimeter, down around all the pulleys, and then it comes up and basically just slips over the tensioner like that. And then from there, we can release the tension, and just make sure that all your little ribs in the belt are over all the proper ribs in the pulleys, which you can see that we have them there, so we are good to go. Now we can go ahead and relieve the tension on the tensioner. And slowly release the tension onto the belt. And just make sure you give it a good feel before you start it up. Just make sure that you feel that all those channels, the belts, where it's supposed to be on the pulleys, and that it's not hanging over one of the edges, because you don't want to start it up, have it get bound up, and then break. Other than that, we're good to go. Let's put the cover on. Well guys, that's it. Everything is back together. If you like this video and if it helps you with doing this job yourself, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Plan on about 5 to 10 minutes to do this install yourself. Here's a good look at the belt for you guys too. This is the first belt I've ever had fall apart and go bad, but I'm glad that when I changed the oil that I was able to catch that. And yeah, that's the parent oil cooler there. But yeah, found the ribbing of the belt right here. And changing the oil is something that I do myself. I got a bunch of oils on the shelf, oil filters and things like that. So other than that, guys, that's going to be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.